Welcome to the channel. Today, we will talk about the popular cryptocurrency exchange Bybit. In this video, I will explain everything in detail: how to register, what trading opportunities the platform offers, and why it deserves your attention. Be sure to watch until the end to not miss the useful tips. You can find the link to Bybit with a promo code in the description below the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There we publish the most important news from the world of cryptocurrencies. Join our free trading chat as well, where we share signals and trading ideas to always stay on top of the latest trends and earn together with us. You can find the link to Bybit with the promo code in the description below the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There we share the main news from the world of cryptocurrencies. Join our free trading chat as well. Here you will find fresh signals and trading ideas to earn together with us. Bybit.com is a relatively young cryptocurrency exchange that was launched in 2018 and is now actively gaining momentum. Bybit is in the top 10 in terms of spot trading volume and top 5 in derivatives trading. The site is translated into multiple languages and has a mobile version of the exchange. Bybit offers perpetual contracts and futures trading for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. This gives traders unprecedented flexibility and liquidity, allowing them to take advantage of all market opportunities. Bybit offers an intuitive and functional interface that is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The main page contains all the necessary information to start trading, including current market data, charts, order books, and trade history. Only authorized users can earn on the platform. To create an account on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange, you need to complete the following steps. Register using our link with referral code and receive additional bonuses and privileges. Enter your email address or phone number. Create a password and enter the referral code, if any. Another way is to log into the exchange using a Google or Apple account. Confirm your agreement with the service rules. Click the Create Account button. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone, and done, your account is created. Write in the comments which exchange you trade cryptocurrency on and why you chose it. Convenient interface, low fees, or access to rare tokens. Share your experience. It will help other participants make the right choice. As of 2025, KYC is a mandatory procedure on Bybit. To work with the service without restrictions, you need to log into the official Bybit website and go to the account settings section. Click the Proceed button in the KYC verification line. Enter personal data: full name, date of birth, passport or driver's license details. Scan the document. Go through the face recognition procedure. After completing the first level of KYC, the withdrawal limit will be increased to 50 BTC per day. To remove all restrictions, you additionally need to confirm the registration address. To do this, you need to provide a bank statement or another document that indicates the client's place of residence. In addition to the web platform, Bybit provides a mobile app for iOS and Android, allowing traders to stay connected and manage their trades anytime, anywhere. Deposit and withdrawal operations on Bybit are carried out in the Assets section by pressing the corresponding deposit or withdraw buttons. To deposit, you need to copy the address. This can be done with one button at the end of the line. Then go to your wallet that you usually use and transfer the funds to this address. It's important that when choosing Bitcoin, you can only transfer Bitcoins. Similarly for other cryptocurrencies. Otherwise, the coins will be lost. The deposit will be credited to the account after one minor confirmation. After confirmation, you will receive an email. Only users who have activated 2 security protection points can withdraw money. When withdrawing from the account, there is an Add button, where you can add one or more addresses to quickly select them when withdrawing. Click Withdraw Funds, specify the target wallet number, and enter the desired amount. Confirm the action with any of the chosen methods. Then you need to go to your email and follow the link sent. Following further instructions, a withdrawal request is created. The operation will be completed after one minor confirmation. Bybit specializes in trading cryptocurrency derivatives, offering instruments such as futures and perpetual contracts. One of the unique features is the ability to trade with leverage up to 100, which attracts traders looking to maximize their profits. Bybit is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, offering powerful tools for active trading. It is aimed at both professional traders and beginners, providing access to a wide range of trading functions. Bybit supports several order types, allowing traders to flexibly manage their trades. Market orders, instant purchase or sale of an asset at the current market price. Limit orders, setting a fixed price at which the trader is willing to buy or sell an asset. Conditional orders, automatic execution of an order when a certain trigger is reached, such as stop loss or take profit. Stop loss and take profit. Tools for risk management, automatically closing a trade when a certain profit or loss level is reached. Bybit is integrated with TradingView, providing traders with access to professional charts, including customizable timeframes and candlestick patterns. Over 100 technical indicators, MA, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, etc. Drawing tools for detailed technical analysis. Multi-chart analysis function. Automated trading strategies and bots. Copy trading, the ability to copy the trades of professional traders automatically. API trading, integration with algorithmic strategies and third-party trading bots. Grid trading bot, an automated bot using a grid trading strategy within a specified range. DCA, dollar cost averaging, a strategy to minimize the impact of volatility by averaging. Leverage and margin trading, support for futures trading with leverage up to 100. Isolated and cross-margin options, allowing flexible risk management. Options and derivatives. Bybit offers options trading, providing more advanced hedging and speculation strategies. Bybit provides powerful tools for traders of all levels, combining professional functionality with a user-friendly interface. Bybit pays special attention to the security of users' funds. The platform uses cold storage for most assets, minimizing the risk of hacking. Two-factor authentication and other security measures are also implemented to protect user accounts. The FAQ contains information on working with the cryptocurrency exchange. The access button is located on the main page. You need to scroll down. The developers have also compiled an extensive base of trading instructions for beginners and professionals in the All About Crypto menu. The platform offers an extensive section with educational materials, including video tutorials, articles, and webinars. This is especially useful for novice traders who want to deepen their knowledge and skills in cryptocurrency trading. Bybit actively develops its community, offering various loyalty programs and bonuses for users. The affiliate program allows you to receive rewards for attracting new users to the platform. Cryptocurrency exchange has gained great popularity among traders in a short time. This is due to a large number of advantages that set it apart from competitors. Here are some of them. Focus on cold storage of user funds, using a system of hierarchically deterministic offline wallets. This ensures the highest level of security. Presence of a super fast trading engine. Thanks to this tool, offline outages are excluded. Bybit clients, unlike users of other large exchanges, have access to assets and operations, even if market activity is extremely high. Exclusion of unfair liquidations. The system has a dual price mechanism that protects users from unfair position liquidations. Prices are adjusted in super accelerated mode. The built-in exchange system API mechanism ensures market data updates every 20 milliseconds. Under such conditions, the efficiency of high-frequency trading is significantly increased. Improved market depth indicators. According to developers, slippage on each trade is minimal. Moreover, Bybit has a smart trading system with strategic notifications and one-click order settings. Thank you for watching our Bybit cryptocurrency exchange review until the end. We hope this video helped you better understand the capabilities and advantages of this platform. Friends, write in the comments which exchange review you want to see on the channel, and I will definitely record it for you. Indicate what is important to you: security, fees, functionality, or maybe rare tokens. Your opinion is very important. To make your start even more advantageous, I've left links and promo codes in the description with which you will receive bonuses upon registration. In our Telegram, you'll find live streams with experienced traders, a trading chat, educational materials, and up-to-date news. Everything you need for successful trading. The link is in the description. See you next time. Successful trades and profitable deals!